back to our 4th Friday dance party. This week I am excited to be showing you all jazz. Jazz can be traced back to the 17th century from African ritual and celebratory dances. Some famous jazz dancers throughout history are Nat Cole, Katherine Dunham, and Bob Fosse. Please enjoy this video where I teach you the basic steps of jazz, and make sure to stay tuned all the way till the end to see a routine that I've created using all the steps that I've taught. Without further ado, here's the video. So the first thing we'll be learning is a jazz walk. And basically what that is like basically a walk sideways with a little bit of sass, which is basically what jazz is, just very sassy and upbeat. And what you're going to be wanting to do is roll your shoulders with each step, and you can go from each side, and basically you're just gonna, each step you take on that leg, you're gonna roll that shoulder with it. Just like how I showed in the warm-up video, roll your shoulder backwards. And also put some bounce in it, bend your knees, and use your hips. Now we will be learning a chaîné turn, and basically what that is just turning in a straight line towards a direction. Now what you're going to want to do is go into releve like I taught in the ballet video, and then take steps towards a certain direction. Now what you're going to have to do for this is a thing called spotting, which is how you don't get dizzy and how you manage to stay in a straight line. So pick a spot on the wall and keep looking at it until you can't, and then spin your head around. Now what you can do to start off is take steps pretty widely, and then you'll be able to go in and go a little faster. Just make sure you spot. And you can also go in any direction you choose. Now we will be learning piqué turns, which is like a chaîné where you're going in one direction, but instead of using both feet down, you will be picking one foot up into passe. And what you will have to do first is a tendu, like I showed also in the ballet video, and a passe, like I showed in the ballet video. So something you can start off doing is tendu to the side and piqué up, which is basically step onto a straight leg and bring the other leg to passe. Just do this exercise a couple of times to get your body familiar with the movement, and then you'll be able to add the turn. You also, what you're going to do with your arms is open and close. Open as you're tenduing to the side, and close as you bring your leg into passe. Make sure you also spot, that's very important. And you can try it. Now I will be showing you some footwork commonly used in jazz, and this is called a pas de bourrée. Now what you're going to do is step to the back with one foot, to the side, and then to the front. You step to the back, crossing your leg behind, to the side out, and then front with the other foot. And as you get better, you can keep going faster. The next step I will be teaching you is a kick ball change. And basically what you will be doing here is kicking one foot to the front, putting that same foot back, and putting the other foot up and down. Here's a side view of it. Basically just 3 steps to it. And this step is commonly used to prepare for a turn, which I will be showing you next. And as you get better, you can obviously go faster. Now I will be showing you a pirouette. So basically what you're going to do first is bring one leg out to the side and your arms out to the side, and make sure it's turned in because it's jazz and that's the style. And bring it back. So you're like kind of in a mini lunge. This is the step you kind of kickball change into. So just bring it out, bring it back, and then you can hold and balance. Your passe will be turned in, so you can't really see your heel, and it's not really making a P shape. It's kind of, you can just see your knee, and that's just because that's how it's done in jazz. So you can do both sides, and then when you get better, you can start going quarter turns. So you're facing each quarter, you can face the front, the side, and the back, and this is just to help you with your hold and your balance, so you can eventually get to an actual turn. Now when you think you're ready, you can go for it and do the turn. You're going to also want to do the other side to keep things even, so you can follow along with me as I show the other side. Now I will be showing you a routine using all the steps I've taught, and if it's a little fast, feel free to go back. So first, take 2 chaînés to the center from the side, and then 2 pas de bourrées on each side. Bring your arms out and in. Then a kickball change to prepare for a pirouette, and then take a little slide to the side and prepare for piqué turns. Now you're going to do 2 piqué turns to the side, and then jazz walks off with your hands in jazz hands. Basically, jazz hands are just when your hands are very wide and facing the front. Now again, it's 2 chaînés to the center, a pas de bourrée to the right or left, and then a pas de bourrée to the other side, a kickball change, a turn, and then slide to prepare for piqué, piqué, and jazz walk off. Make sure you have a lot of sass and make sure you smile. Let's do it one more time, a little faster. 2 chaînés, pas de bourrée, kickball change, turn, slide, prepare, piqué, piqué, down, and jazz walk off. Good job, everyone.